So I made this really kind of comprehensive video of the Tusk quick release plates for the soft Pannier bags, and I lost it. Whatever. Anyway, so I'm just going to give you I would like to give you a quick overview of the quick release plates that you can get for the Tusk soft Panniers. Okay. So having to latch these to the Pannier racks takes a while. And if you want them on and you want them off, you're going to spend a little time dealing with it, because you got to latch, you got to lash all four on each of the bags, and then you got to run the support straps over the top. Well, here's the cool thing about the quick release plates. Watch this. Bam, they're off. It was so quick. So the quick release plates, you got this plate that you lash the bags to, rather than lashing them to the actual racks on the bike. And then this is got the fittings in it for the quick release thing, just like the aluminum boxes do. This is the same plate. When it came in the box, it came as separate pieces, and I had to put the spacers and bolt this to the plate, and then of course lash the bag to the plate, and that was it. It was super simple, like super simple. So instead of having to undo all four of these on both bags to get them on and off of the bike, and it takes a little bit, you can just sit it on there just like the hard bags. Done with that, and then you get your load bearing straps back on over the top. I put my leg under there, just kind of lift it up a little bit. I run these underneath of the grab handle rather than straight across, because these will eventually work off right there where my tailbone is. So I have opted to do it this way, and for me it works. You're done. It's the plates are, what are they on Rocky Mountain ATV-MC, like $100, $110, something like that. In my opinion, it's worth it. So these are the 35-liter Tusk Pilot Pannier bags on the Tusk quick release plates on the Tusk Pannier racks, and for me, this has been working out pretty good, and pretty happy with it. So the quick release plates, in my opinion, are a good investment, and I'm having a good experience with them so far. Just wanted to share with you. That's how it works. That's what it looks like, and there you go. Okay, peace.